Today we are doing the Excel trick, 3 ways to convert Excel file to PDF. So this example. So first is save as a PDF. So we can save the file as a PDF. So how to save the file? First we need to go on the file option. Then we have the option save as save a copy. And then we have to go the particular, let's suppose I'm going into the OneDrive, I'm going to the desktop and extension as a save. Okay, then they asking for the save as, you want to save as, convert as a PDF. Then we have the options for document properties and document structure. We can do with the that one. So let's see how we can convert it. So this is my data. I want to convert this data into the PDF. So I'm going into the file option. Then we have the option as a save as. Okay, I'm clicking on the save as. Now they're asking for the this PC or the OneDrive. So I'm not going into the OneDrive. I'm going into this PC. Then in the folder. So I'm selecting the desktop right now. So what is a file name? So my file name is Excel to PDFs. Excel to PDF XLX. So I'm selecting the PDF format here, and then we have the options. In the options you can select these both options, and we have the option of the PDF underscore the complaint. You didn't check this option. We need to check only these options. Then if you want one page, if you want a specific page, you can do it. So I'm selecting the all because I need to convert all data into a PDF. Then okay. Then okay, now see here, one my Excel file now is converted into the PDF. So let's see the PDF file. Now see here, this is the PDF file, Excel to PDF. This is the open. Okay, so I have my all data of into the one worksheet is converted into the PDF file. Okay, so this is a very simple way to how to convert the file into the PDF. So let's see the another example for the how we can convert another options to convert the as a PDF. Next option is export as a PDF. So this is a 2016 Excel. In the 2013 and 16 and the 19 we have the options for the export options. So we need to create the export, create PDF XLX document, and then create PDF XPS, and same we have the option, that option we can see, and we can customize our PDF. Okay, let's see in the Excel. So I'm going into this sheet, then I'm going into the file, then we have the option that for the export, and now I'm changing the file, create the PDF for the XPS. So now see here we have the by default they selecting the PDF. Now you can customize from the here. Then publish. You need to click here the publish because I have the already one of the PDF file. That's the reason is saying the you want to replace the existing one. So I click the yes. Now see here one PDF is created also here. This is my another PDF with the help of the export function. Okay, so let's see the last example how to convert into the PDF mode. So next is email as a PDF attachment with the quick access toolbar. So we have the option available in the Excel that called the email as a PDF attachment. So we can add it with the quick access toolbar. In the all commands we have that option email as a PDF attachment. You need to add the shortcut into the quick access toolbar. Then you can easily forward your data into the PDF. Let's suppose I want to send my Excel as a PDF because I didn't want someone change my data. I want is with the restrictions because the PDF no one can change it. Okay, you can share it. But in the Excel, if someone want to change, they can change and they can forward. So with the PDF, because you have to convert it, so we have the option that is available in the quick access toolbar. So right click here, customize add quick access toolbar, because we need to customize the quick access toolbar. Okay, else we have the option more commands. In the more commands, now you have to select here from the all commands, then quick access toolbar, email as a PDF. So this is the option email as a PDF. So I have already selected the email as a PDF attachment is added. Then okay, then you need to check this option email as a PDF. Then your Outlook will be open and you can easily send your data as a PDF. So because right now my Outlook is not configured, that's the reason it's showing these option. To configure first, then they will be sent. Okay, so this is the three options. You can easily convert your Excel file into the PDF file. Thank you so much guys. I will update my these all three ways into the below descriptions. You can add and you can download this Excel file from the below description, and you can use these three of them method. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel Shamit Gyan. Thank you.